they're not all created equal. We know that on a 3-day conference, not everyone sticks around for day 3. The last couple slots on day 3, the afternoon after lunch on day 3, it can be a ghost town. Sometimes 50-75% of the people are gone. So we have that to contend with. Second, in a push with a lot of conference organizers to grow the list of speakers with limited amounts of slots, many times the multi-speaker session, the panel, has become a huge favorite because they can pack more speakers onto the agenda. More speakers means more opportunities to upsell people into exhibit hall booths or stands or sponsorships, whatever you want to call it, and certainly more people that are now aggressively promoting this conference on their LinkedIn feed to their own reach. So there's the time of day and the position within the multi-day event. There's whether you share a speaking slot or not. So there's a lot of things competing for attention. Oh, and then how many concurrent tracks are going on? There's 2,500 people at the conference that are registered, maybe 23 or 2,400 actually show. Let's assume you got one of the great speaking slots and you're speaking by yourself, so you have the whole 30 or 40 minutes to yourself to educate and build trust with the audience, but that doesn't tell the whole story either, because there's 4 other concurrent tracks or 7 other concurrent tracks. So those 2,400 people, even if they're perfectly divided up, you have a fraction of the audience. Not to mention that there's also this phenomenon of what I call the crazy glued bottom of the shoes. What does the crazy glued bottom of the shoes mean? There are people that strictly attend a conference to hang out in the hallway, in the lounges, and in the bars and prospect other attendees. And by prospect, yes, most of the people that are doing this are in commercial roles. They're account executives, account managers, sales development reps, marketers. They are primarily attending not to learn at the conference, but to prospect and generate leads from others at the conference. So you take them completely off the top also. So the 2,500 attendees, not only is it divided up into your 7 or 8 concurrent tracks, not only do you have to contend with, do you have a real session or do you have a shared session with 4 or 5 other people? But on top of that, there's a significant chunk of the people who came to the conference not to learn from you, but to parasite off of the commercial vibe of the conference to try to poach leads, generate leads, whatever the heck you want to call it, that's going on there in the hallway. But make no mistake, they are there for largely that one reason,